morning, everybody.
Start over.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so good morning, everybody. Today is the day that we set sail. It is cruise day. We started off with getting coffee at this wonderful place. You have to check it out. But now we're getting ready to head to the port. Gonna get on the boat and have some fun.
In a few moments, we will be boarding. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, we're at the Long Beach terminal waiting to board the ship. Right behind me, you'll see a line. That's where they check all the documents and we get through, go through security, and then we'll be waiting inside the terminal here soon and gonna go board the ship and then go get some lunch because that's what we need.
See how long it takes for us to get through. Shouldn't be too long. She went by pretty smooth.
It did go by super smooth. We're boarding the ship. That's what's happening. We're boarding the ship. That's what's happening.
There you go.
We are now getting ready to walk on the ship. We're walking down the big long stretch, and then we are getting on, and then the fun begins.
That's a song, just one. Give me
Do you sell just the cups?
the cups and the drinks, of course. Without the drink, without only cups, no good.
No good?
Vacation, no start.
Jonathan, Dymon.
Yes.
Did you get my thing here? I think I did.
That's where we're going.
We're at our mustache drill. Gotta check in. Gotta get all this stuff done.
Rooms are ready.
It is time to open up the door.
All regulars must visit their assigned bunk station and check in with one of our agents. Must cross please do so at this time. Bus station is part of that boarding pass.
Alright, hey, what's up everybody? We finally made it to our stateroom. The room's finally opened up at about like 1:30. So we're just in our room. We had lunch at Guy's Burger, and now we're just gonna relax for a little bit. Wait until about 4:30, 4:45 when they do the sail away up at the Lido deck. So we'll go check that out, and then after that, we'll see what the night brings us. Get ready for dinner, go to dinner, see what's gonna happen the rest of the night. Maybe check out the live band tonight or go to a show. We'll see. So stay tuned to see what's gonna happen.
All right, let me show you guys what our stateroom looks like. Our cabin. It's balcony cove. This is our balcony here. Pretty cool.
Alright, I'm going to show you some of our stateroom. So on this side we have a couch. I believe this couch does turn into a bed. So if you have a third person in your room, you're able to have that person sleep there. So it does turn into a sleeper. And then down here in this storage compartment, you have your fridge. And you can order water to go into your fridge. Highly recommend it. One of the best investments that you can do on a cruise ship, I will say that. And then as we come through, we have these shelves. So you can put a whole bunch of stuff on them. And they do have like a little garter here so they don't move around if the ship were to get a little bit rocky. And then as you open up, you have some drawers and a safe and then some shelving. And then in these two ones, you have a full-length wardrobe. And then in this one, you have a half-length wardrobe. But I think this does remove, or you can remove it. So if you needed to. And a full-length mirror, because we all know you need that on Elegant Night. And then on this side, you have your bathroom, complete with the shower. And they do have shampoo and shower gel, so if you forget it, they got you. And then
we gotta make sure it works. It works.
That's the toilet. Oh, that's the toilet. Oh my goodness. All right. And then of course, sink. There is one outlet in here. If you do choose to use it, it's high up. But there are plenty of outlets outside. We do suggest that you bring an extension cord. That might help you out. But always check Carnival's website so you can see what you're allowed to bring when you come into a room. But this is our stateroom, the Cove Balcony 2290.
This is the one of the sides upstairs.
Yes, there's like the tiny stand, vibrate, you know, it's really amazing. So it has aromatherapy like essential lavender, no, eucalyptus and lemongrass. Yes.
In there?
Yes,
Oh my god.
because no one allergic from that, so that's why that's we want.
So we just took a little bit of a spa tour on deck 12 and it is amazing. So we ended up booking it for the full week. So we have access to the thermal suites. So they have like saunas that you can go to. There's a dry sauna, which is the infrared sauna. And then they also have one that's a steam room. And they have like scrubs that you can use. There's a whirlpool that has mineral water in it. We're super excited. It's gonna be awesome to use after we definitely work out in the mornings. Maybe in the evenings we'll see what happens. But it is a super, super nice place. So we'll give you guys updates on what happens and if it's worth it. See ya later. So this is a sports center, so you have mini golf here, some pool
How is everybody doing? Everybody good? These guys are drinking Blantons.
Yes.
They're like right now. That's what I gotta tell you. I mean, it's coming soon. Not yet. They're not dating yet, so it's coming soon. Have fun, y'all. Woo! And that's AJ right there.
Okay guys, so we finished our dinner and now we're gonna go and check out the live band here at the Oceans Plaza and see how well they play. We have very, very high hopes because we know that Carnival really kicks off their bands awesomely. So you'll see some footage here soon.
Oh, what's going on there, folks? Come on, tell me who is on vacation out there? Come on, make some noise. There we go. That's what I want to hear. Come on now. We can be. All right, let me.
So we made it back to our stateroom. We went and checked out the welcome aboard show and it was awesome. I highly suggest that you guys go and check it out because they showcase various couples. There's things that you can win. They talk about things that are going on within the week of the cruise, and we also got to see a little bit of a teaser of what's going to happen with the playlist productions. So we can't wait to see what's going to happen the rest of this week. But we highly encourage you to go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, and comment down below what has been your favorite thing or things that you want to know about cruising, because we do not mind to comment down below or reply to your comment that's going on. But make sure to tune into the next vlog so you know what is happening on Carnival Cruise. We cannot wait to see you in the next video. Goodbye, y'all.